guys! Okay, so today I want to take you through a day in my life, or more correct, a few hours in the morning. This morning started as every single morning does, waking up with my daughter smiling at me. Then we had breakfast together, and then afterwards we played a bit with her new baby kitchen. I just bought a new baby kitchen for her for our new apartment. So that was kind of a moving in gift that I had prepared for her, and she got so happy when she saw it for the very first time. And even after she comes home from childcare every single day, then she looks as happy when she looks at it. Then we read a few books together about the little monkey named Peter Pedal, and then we played a bit with her dolls. Then I took her to childcare, and we brought our dog too, because then he can go for a walk on the way, and that's something we do every single morning. After I came home, then I put on some gym clothes, and then I went for a run around the lakes in Copenhagen. The sun is shining today and it's so beautiful out there, so it just felt amazing to work out in the sun. It makes me so happy. That really must be one of the most amazing feelings. Do you know that feeling, working out in the sun? Wellness. It's a wellness feeling. Then after I came home again from the run, then I worked out in my living room on the floor. After that, I went to have a shower. Then I put on clothes. Did my hair, put on makeup, then I went to the kitchen, had a banana, lots of water, made a coffee, and got ready for work. I don't know if you guys will be interested in even watching this kind of video, but I thought, okay, why not invite you into a day or a few hours in my life in the morning. So now I'm ready to edit it all together for you guys. So enjoy, and I hope that I might be able to inspire you guys. Because personally, then I really love my own morning routine, and maybe you can implement some of what I do in yours too.